Rolling loud. We are back, man, live with my man Tariq and DJ Ski.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Dude.
Hey, man, it's been a hell of a weekend.
Amazing weekend, man.
First time we ever did it on a Thursday.
Yes.
So it was like a week to the weekend.
You know, Rolling Loud is for people, man, because Rolling Loud did it on a Thursday so they could give people Halloween off.
Listen, I know everybody tomorrow. I got to go back home to the family. You know, we got to go trick-or-treating.
Yes.
So go trick-or-treating tomorrow. Don't go to the festival.
Oh, God. I saw that, and I knew as soon as I seen it, I'm like, these are good people right here. What are you planning to be for Halloween?
Cuz Lightyear.
You
seen that shit go viral?
Yeah. Yo, that's a hard one.
Damn, I don't have a costume, bro.
But you don't?
Nah, but I seen this one where it's like he gets a trash can and he puts a thong over it. And it's the Mandalorian.
Wow.
So I'm gonna be the Mandalorian with a thong on my head.
The homie dressed up as what's the name? A Casamigo.
Oh, wow.
He's the vibe for the whole day.
Pour me up.
On God.
Pause.
Pause.
Hey, but look, this weekend was lit, man. What was your favorite part?
Man, I'm not gonna lie, man. My favorite part was seeing the King Vamp perform in the rain.
Ooh.
Oh my God.
Both of them, King Vamp with Uzi and J. Cole in the rain.
Yeah,
I was running back and forth.
Oh my
Thankfully,
God.
I got a nice route compared to the fans.
You got the get out the way.
He got the underground passage between each stage.
Yeah. So I was running back and forth, but yeah, both King Vamp and J. Cole in the rain. That was crazy.
It's legendary to have two such big artists from like two different eras, performing at the same time.
And they both had massive crowds.
Yes, it was dope. I was over there for Cardi. The ground was shaking. It was crazy. I've never experienced nothing like that before in my life.
Take my shirt off and all the hoes stop breathing.
Yeah, take my shirt. That's my shit.
Oh my
Breathing.
God.
Breathing.
That's my shit.
Stop breathing.
I can't lie, I like that song.
God, man.
Nah, that set was incredible. Honestly, Uzi's set on Thursday.
Yes.
Thank you for letting us stream. Uzi's set on Thursday was incredible.
Hey, yo, I'm gonna
Very
keep it
dope.
real, bro. Beyonce had the best performance all weekend.
I'm not gonna lie. Ski Master Slump God. I'm not gonna lie, y'all flipped that shit.
Nah, we flipped that shit.
Literally, Ski flipped into the crowd.
Sometimes, like,
Crazy.
Usually, sometimes I'll be like, "Yo, was the show good?" Like, I asked the homies. I'm like, I ain't have to ask nobody. Like, bro, you could feel that shit. Like, that was one of my favorite performances I think I've had.
Everybody was walking up to me. They're like,
For sure.
"Yo, DJ Scheme and Ski Master Slump, I gotta play at like 9 o'clock every time from now on.
Nah,
I need to headline."
Hold on, can we get a nighttime set, bro?
Need
Can it be dark when we perform?
Sit on camera.
Need to. This is live. This is for the people.
Yes.
Lock in. Ski Mask, headlining, coming soon.
Well,
Hey.
it'll be dope to even see that because, originally, Ski Mask, X, like they were the guys that,
We grew up together.
Yeah.
Like a difference. I'm older than these guys a little bit, you know what I'm saying? But we came up together in this shit. So we always gonna hold each other down, and it's beautiful to grow together in this industry. So yeah, Ski Mask set was incredible. I fuck with Tyler Yahweh's set today. I know Sofago just killed it.
I just came from over there.
Woo!
I left my job for about 30 minutes.
Hey, it was
I had
crazy.
to go see Sofago.
It was crazy. I didn't see it. Was it good?
What?
My bad.
It's so crazy to see these newer, younger acts really grow. Like,
He's a superstar. Yo,
Like, he's a star.
Bro, that was one of them ones where I told everybody on my team, I was like, Sofago.
He a
Like,
killer.
wait, what? We're booking Sofago,
yes,
fam.
yes.
Then sure enough, he started fucking pop. Because this was like a year ago when
Bro,
we're doing the booking.
But you've been so deep in this. You've always been at the attachment of just always new and dope talent. So that, it's natural.
Not just
for you.
me, it's a team, man. Me, Matt Zingler, that's my business partner. Kelvin, Scheme, DJ Five Venoms, the whole staff, Sean. I mean, we put our heads together and we just try to represent where hip hop is at currently. You know what I'm saying? We try to be the mirror of hip hop, the Disney World of hip hop. You know?
I like that. Man. You heard it here first, man. The Disney World of hip hop. I'm not gonna lie, man. Seeing Lil Nas X come out in the Rick Owens dripped out.
How did we not talk about that yet? Oh my God. Lil Nas X needs to come back to Rolling Loud. We need a whole Lil Nas X set. Offers are coming your way next week. Whoever the fuck your booking agent is, I'm not sure who it is. But need Lil Nas X back at Rolling Loud.
Yeah, 100%.
There's some controversial things happen on Thursday. Different artists bringing out different people. we like to give our artists the right to do what they want. And that's all we got to say about that.
Oh, God, man. Yo, thank y'all so much for coming on, man.
Love,
and
gang.
Thank you guys, man, for creating
Nah, you did
something
you doing a hell of a job, bro.
Bro,
Listen,
you
Hakeem,
got
when I tell you that you're snapping at this interview and whole shit, I seen you come up, dog. You killing shit. Hey, and I'm going to talk shit to Adam. Adam, your boy doing his thing, man. I love you too, Adam, though. Just
Hey,
kidding.
we love y'all. Rolling Loud. Tune in. Let's go, man.
This was Rolling Loud 2021, New York City. We got Rolling Loud LA coming to you in December. Keep it locked on our YouTube. Keep it locked on our Twitch. Keep it locked on all of our socials at Rolling Loud. Follow DJ Scheme at DJ Scheme.
Yep.
Follow me at Tariq Cherif. Follow Hakeem.
Hey, yo, Hakeem.
Hey, yo,
Red,
ready?
man, we love y'all, man. Turn up. Go enjoy
Bing
some
bong.
more content.
Bing bong.
Don't